What's up, folks? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Alright, so as some of you know, made 2 videos earlier and stuff like that. Just in case my phone ring. Okay. Gotta look through this. So anyway, is it just a Beaver song? Alright, so much thinking I've been doing and stuff like that, you know. Just hanging out, chilling and stuff like that. Trying my best to do something positive. Try to keep my house straight and stuff like that. Hopefully move to another house and everything else. Okay. So about this new Double Dare game show coming out. Okay, so I'll talk about that on another video, like I talked about here on Nickelodeon, NBC, and stuff like that. You know, I don't know which place I missed the most, New Iberia or Metairie, but I can go to Metairie anytime. You know. I love Metairie, you know. Been in Harahan a few times, you know. I love Harahan too. Okay? Nice and peaceful. Okay? Have been to the Winn-Dixies and Winn-Dixie, Family Dollar Tree, Dollar General out there in Harahan. Never been to those. Okay? Been to Big Lots. What else? I'm really thinking. What the hell to think? Don't know what to think. Okay. Alright, so again, folks, been here, been there, and stuff like that. Dominoes 7 haven't done a video in a while, you know, but I'm glad to be back. I should have done a live stream video earlier today when I was by Randy TV house, but I forgot to do that. Okay, and then this girl Latoya, some kind of friend I got, never let me know anything. You know, so some of you probably know who Latoya is if y'all watch her in my previous videos and stuff like that. And then this girl Alicia that y'all seen in my previous videos. Lying on me, saying bad stuff about me, saying that I said this and said that. So I forgot to confront Alicia the last time I said that, you know. But keep lying on me like that, I sue her or call the police on her, you know. So don't slander me like that. I'll tell her, you know. She's slandering me, lying on me and stuff like that. But guess what? I will get the police involved, and she gonna be arrested. You know. So some of the things she thought I said, I didn't say it. You know. But guess what? She will go straight to jail. You know, like false allegation. You know. So anyway, I want to say something. For some people that I banned from my house and stuff like that, all I can say is if they want to see my house, watch my video, okay? Watch it on YouTube or watch my Facebook live stream, you know, either way around. Watch my Facebook live or my YouTube live or my previous recorded videos here on YouTube. Or whatever, okay? So I gotta get back on Daily Motion, okay? I haven't uploaded on Daily Motion in a long time. I kind of wonder why I took a break from Daily Motion, you know? So I need to get back on that. But screw Vimeo, you know? You gotta upload at a limit of time on Vimeo. You know, Vimeo sucks. You hear me? I mean, to keep it real with you, I can watch videos on Vimeo, you know. I guess I might get back on that and probably upload one at a time on Vimeo. You know, you gotta wait a whole week, and for the extension, you gotta pay. You know, do some of y'all folks have videos on Vimeo? I wonder. Okay, I kind of wonder. You know, I really wonder. Okay, so I must ask y'all. Okay, I'm asking everybody. Do y'all watch Vimeo? Do y'all watch Dailymotion? You know, they kind of changed up Dailymotion a little bit, you know, because, you know, every time they change YouTube, they change Dailymotion, because, you know what, on the computer screen, you know, the video's on one side, and then the listing videos is on the other, okay? So, I think I seen some milk challenges on Dailymotion too, but not the same ones, you know. That's a French channel and stuff like that. So, you know, Vimeo, no. YouTube and Dailymotion came out right before Katrina, you know. Shortly before Katrina, you know what I'm saying? I think YouTube was developed in January of 2005, and then Dailymotion was developed February of 2000. I'm gonna say 2005. Did I say 2009? I'll have to check that. Okay. All right. So now back to what I was thinking about and talking about. Okay. So I uploaded recently, okay? Well, not uploaded recently, okay? Alright, so I must say though, I can't wait for that new Double Dare, okay, on Nickelodeon, okay? I haven't watched Nickelodeon in a while. I haven't watched Nick at Night in a while, you know? I missed the old Nick at Night logo, you know? The circle with Nick at Night on it. Some good old shows like I Love Lucy, Dragnet, Get Smart, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, The Cosby Show. Golly, Bill Cosby found guilty. A Different World. Thank God they showed A Different World. Thank God they showed Steve Urkel on Nick at Night. Family Matters. Well, I wish Step by Step would have appeared on Nick at Night. It should have had that on Nick at Night. I was hoping for that to be on Nick at Night, you know. That was a good show. Okay. I guess I need to call Dwayne back. I'll call him back when I finish doing my videos. So I'm not gonna put him on my show just like that. I haven't saw him in person since 2015. Damn, it's been so long. But I'm glad he had a chance to meet my mom, my grandmother, and half of my family. You know, at least he met my Auntie Wanky. I showed that obituary to y'all a few years back. She passed in 2014. You know, my Auntie Wanky passed at the age of 59, and then my mom passed at the age of 59. I mean, that was a short 59, you know. Wait a minute, I'm about to go downstairs and get my mom's obituary, so I'll be right back. Sorry about that, folks. You know what? You know what I should have did? I should have filmed used my digital camera. You know, the camera that Randy gave me. All right. show y'all my mom obituary. Okay. Alright, so here she is. The date, born April 26, 1959. Passed 2018, April the 29th. Okay. Christina D. White was born to the late Edna Dolores and Thomas White Sr. Well, whoever, look at this. I don't know if y'all can see it. Edna Dolores. Whatever kind of stupid maniac printed this should have said Dolores Edna and Thomas White Sr. You know, let me read this. The late Dolores Edna and Thomas White Sr. Christina was a devoted mother to her 3 sons, Brandon, Brian, and Brock White. Brian is my name, okay? In case some of y'all don't know, in case y'all new to this channel, my real name is Brian, okay? She was a loving sister to her siblings and her parents. Christina passed away on April 29, 2018, when she bravely accepted the call from God. Okay, and you know what? There's some parts that I'm gonna skip. Okay. All right. So anything I'm gonna skip, I'm gonna read this again. All right. On my future video. Okay. Christina was baptized by the late Reverend Zebedee Bridges at the young age of 10. Back then, she had accepted the Lord Jesus Christ as her Savior. She attended Nelson Elementary School, Phillip Junior High School. Those 2 schools I never went to. Okay. Brandon went to Nelson Elementary years ago, and then he went to Phillip Junior High, and then later on he switched to Gregory, and graduated from John McDonald Senior High School. Okay. Christine was a caretaker at heart. She dedicated her life to not only caring for her children, but for all the people who she knew was ill and needed to be taken care of. All right. Before I finish this paragraph and the next sentence, I want to tell y'all, my mama was a good caretaker to her aunties. Okay, she did good. All right. Now to continue. Christine was a child care assistant where she worked at the Asian Baptist Church, which I ain't know about. Okay. Christine leaves behind 3 sons, Brandon, Brian, and Brock White, and a beautiful granddaughter, Braylon White. Memories of Christina will remain forever treasured by her loving sisters, Diana White Henderson, Stacy White, Janice White Jones, Sharon White Bell, and a loving brother, Thomas White Jr. Okay. She also leaves behind a godfather, McNeil Johnson. That's her Mac Dennis, okay, and her favorite uncle, Isaac Johnson. Okay. Well, we gonna skip this for right now. What I'm about to skip. Okay. So I'm gonna skip the next paragraph right here. So on to the next. She is preceded in death by her parents, Jesus Christ. Edna Dolores is Dolores Edna, and Thomas White Sr., grandmother and grandfather Elmira and Joe Hurd, 2 brother-in-laws, Henry Henderson and Solomon Gray-eyed Jesse Jones, 4 aunts, Lily Mae Griffin, Kara Rubisky, Linda and Gwendolyn Hurd. 3 uncles, Joseph Jr., Howard and Calvin Hurd. Also a host of other relatives and friends. Okay? So I'm gonna let y'all know why I skipped that and skip this next sentence. You know, so I'm explaining to y'all why I skipped that sentence. Okay. All right, never mind that though. Okay. Some of y'all might think it's jealousy. Some of y'all make me think it's hate. It ain't either one. Okay. All right. So now that my mom's gone, I'm in charge. So it's not only me that's in charge. Me and my big brother's in charge. You know. I wish Brandon would have been head of the house instead of me. But I know I do a good job though. Okay. So all right. So missing my friends Scotty, Dolany, and Tanya, especially Kirsten Davis. Kirsten Austin, she's all right, but she's not my friend anymore. You know. I really don't like Kirsten Austin, to be honest with you. Okay. I love her, but I don't like her anymore. And Heidi Colson, I love her. You know, she used to work at Winn-Dixie, New Iberia. I don't know if she moved back to New Iberia. I heard she moved out of town before or after I left New Iberia. You know, I sure miss that place though. God knows I miss that place. You know. I wish I could go out there and visit people. You know, some of the people don't work at the same jobs anymore. Okay, like Super One, Walmart, gas stations, places like that. Okay, I used to visit a lot of places. People welcome me with open arms. Even them cops welcome me. You know, I say hey to them. I made them laugh and stuff like that. Good spirit. New Iberia was in good spirit, you know. And Chef Sweeney, I like Chef Sweeney, okay, from New Iberia, you know. Yeah, New Iberia, I love it, okay. So I sure miss that place, folks. I really miss the Berry, okay. I wish I could go back. I would love to go back, you know. But I'd rather go back to visit. I'm sorry to say, because I don't want to leave Nala here. She was living in Baton Rouge, okay, but fortunately for me, she came back to New Orleans, okay. But we ain't gonna be living in New Orleans much. We gonna live on the outskirts of New Orleans, but we not going back to Bunch Village unless Bunch Village is available, okay. Alright, so that's it for now, okay? Thank y'all for watching this video, okay? The next video I'm going to talk about, okay? Alright, so y'all will find out eventually, okay? Thank y'all for watching this video, okay? Alright, peace out. Alright, gotta love it, baby. Peace out.